welcome to the scrapyard. You can tell I got a bit of a mess here. Just a little quick shout out, mail call, little quick update. Um, well, like I had to put another coat of gold on my Diora, so I got that. Looks pretty good. I still haven't put the yellow on it for the fog, but I got that. And while I was doing that, I said, well, I'm already spraying gold paint. I got, printing gold paint out, spraying gold paint out. So I drug this out because I had something else that needed to be gold. I drug out my Dragula and put the gold to it. Dragula is a really neat kit, man. I like these plastic slicks, and I'll tell you why. Because you can take these plastic slicks like this and put them together, then take you a razor saw, right, and tape it to something, make a spacer with, and then lay it down flat like that, and take your tire and do it along the edge of the razor saw, and you make a set of shooter slicks. I think those will look pretty good on a Dragula, man, with the shooter slicks on there. But there's those. Got the seats for the Diora. I haven't painted them up yet. I got to looking at it, got to look at the instructions and everything, and there's no provision for your gas pedal or your brake, either one in here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Moon hot foot for the gas, and I'm going to look and see if I can't find some kind of shifter boot or something I can modify and make it like the brake pedals going down through the floorboard, and put that in there, and that should help it a lot. Anyway, I got mail in today. I got a order in from Jimmy Flintstone. What I ordered a T sedan delivery, and this 162 Ford Courier. I'm thinking about trying to maybe I'm thinking on it still, trying to cut the hood out, because I would really like to make a gasser out of this. But I got that, and I don't know why, but he sent me 2 of the T-bodies and one of the Creature Minis extra. But we'll see where that goes. I tried this on one of the set of AMT fenders. It fits pretty good. It's just a little bit wide, maybe, but yeah, it fits decently. I think that looks sharp, man. But there's that, and well, that's about all I had for today. It's coming along. The Diora's coming along. I got to put some more flocking down because this looks patchy. I don't like that. Well, it's not flocking, it's an embossing powder. If it's flocking, I'd have got it in one. But anyway, you can tell, man, I got kind of got a disaster going on my bench here. It's just really messy. But they say a messy desk is a sign of a creative mind or something. I don't know. Something like that. But anyway, that's it for tonight. Y'all have a good weekend, and if I don't see you before Monday, I'll see you Monday, I guess. All right, this is Red. Night.